So here we are, guys, at Siggraph 2018. This is the last day in Siggraph, so let's go.
Autodesk.
What do they do?
They own everything for 3D animation. Maya, 3D Studio Max, and Softimage.
We're VANAS, the large retailer of electronic equipment in New York, and we're presenting a number of solutions that are well targeted to the Siggraph community. By putting the headset on, I can do a number of changes to the car. I can change the color, I can go close to it, I can change my viewpoint. So it's a fully interactive, it's a real-time render on the Unreal Engine using Autodesk VRED, and the platform is a self-adaptive computing platform.
Awesome. Wow, that's cool, eh? Woo. Amazon, which is called AWS. So what they do now is that the studio cannot release assets because there's confidentiality. But now through services like Amazon, now they can give you an asset somewhere outside the studio, and they keep all these things locked. So you're working for that studio, they give you the asset, it's protected, doesn't stay in your computer, stays on the server. And then once the production's done, they're like, whoop, give it back to us. You understand that part?
Yes. I mean, when you're working on a production, the majority of them only let you use what you created after it either goes to the theater or it's released on DVD. So it could be years.
So they don't want to comment on the camera. These guys from Google, they said they can't comment to the camera because they have a confidential. But anyway, they come to Siggraph quite often, and what we see now is that kind of like same like Amazon. They have servers, rendering engines. You can see they're getting more power, and the engineers, they're not PR people, so it's okay. Can't do that myself. Yes, let's go.
It's become less and less expensive every year. Even my daughter, we bought her for Christmas a 3D printer.
I saw Tropics. They're creating the next generation of software for VFX. Matte painting, you typically have the geometry, you project the image, and then you paint on top. So this one, on the pipeline now, they eliminate the painting process, right? Which is, I saw the demo and it was pretty cool though. So now they can also, matte painting scenes are heavy because they're typically on a background or in a city. And so what they do now is that they can duplicate all those buildings, and the system just keeps on being so light at the end. It's amazing.
It should be very cool. They have some actual production costumes from some of the latest movies. The Ant-Man and the Wasp, which just came out this year, 2018, from Marvel Studios. So this is from the Solo feature, which I don't believe anybody actually went to see. It was a Solo feature as well, so well named.
My name is Takayuki Todo. I'm an artist from Tokyo, Japan. And the title is The Seer, the Simulative Emotional Expression Robot.
So she's looking at me and then she fixes her eyes onto me, and then she somehow engages and she mimics my emotions. If I go like that, like this, or I close my eyes, right? That's amazing. Wow, cool.
NVIDIA. So these are the graphic cards for the new computers. You can spend a lot of money, thousands literally, for a great graphics card, but you have to have something that can handle the processing, to do the 3D.
Yeah.
So, okay.
Let me give you the human version of that, okay? So there's things that are inside your computers that no one knows, but these machines or these cards, they actually are making all the computational systems and whatever that you can see the game at the end, or the 3D model moving at the end. That's it. iPhones, Androids, you name it, they have these little chips inside.
Wishing everybody the opportunity to attend one of these amazing conventions related to the computer animation industry and effects. It was a marvelous event, and look forward to seeing you in future ones. Bye-bye.